So hello guys, welcome back again. Today is Thursday morning. Sorry, Thursday. It's Thursday morning, still around past 11. So we are still in the morning before the New York session. So all eyes glued on my screen. Then I have this opportunity cooking up on USD CHF. Guys, I don't want you guys to miss that opportunity. It's a nice trade that I want everybody to take an advantage of. Do you understand? So I'll be breaking the chart down for you all so you can see an opportunity from it and let's eat together. For those that are watching me for the first time, don't forget to like, subscribe, and put down your comment on the comment section. I would like to know what next you always want me to do, what kind of chart that you want me to analyze, and I'll be giving you my own honest analysis on that. Like I always say, analyzing a pair is the most simplest thing to do, but you know where the work comes in? Waiting for what you have analyzed to marginalize, to manifest. And that patient is usually the key factor that so many people lack, and that's the reason why they keep jumping from one strategy to another, looking for a quick one that can give them what they think they are looking for. Do you understand? So I remain Emans FX, your number one mentor. So let's go. Let's hop on my chart now and let me show you exactly what I am looking for on USD CHF. Hello, beautiful traders. Right about now, I want to analyze USD CHF trade for you all. There's an opportunity on around there, so let's do this together. First of all, I come on my daily time frame and I try to observe from the entire market margin to know what is going on. If you can see, if you can look at it very well, you can see that I have my support line and my resistance line being marked out. Over the previous days and weeks, USDCHF has been in a range, has been ranging within this entire channel. So currently, we can actually see that price is being subtle. Let's look at what happened on the 4 hours time frame, because on the daily time frame we can see there was a false breakout around here, which finally push the market inside of this range again, and that means this drop here was to retest on it, to give it a stability for a continuous push. As for me, I am looking for a bullish move on this pair. I'm looking to have it take out this other highs. Though I analyzed this trade sometimes ago where I had only my TP1 hit on this trade, it was a profitable trade. So right about now, price is currently in an area. Let's look at 4 hours time frame to get more information. And on 4 hours time frame, we can see what's going on around there. We can see it clearly, guys. This is where a lot of traders get stuck real time. What do I mean? They don't allow the full play on a particular pair before they decide to make their own decision. This is one of the reasons why some traders get in too early and then the market decides to work out on them. So some people will be like, this trade, look at from here, it has, you can even see this trade originally has made touch one here on a resistance trend line, and then this second touch here, and then it came around here to make a third touch. Generally, it was supposed to push this trade downwards. Do you understand? But if you are not patient enough and then you are coming in already, you are taking your positions from here without having a full confirmation on this straight direction, you will get yourself to be blamed. Now you can see what happened. Even if you want to take a sell on this trade, you should at least wait for the daily candlestick to close, and not just that, with a sign of sell confirmations before you take your trade, because apparently this is looking like a good chart pattern. You understand? This is actually a good chart pattern, but with the way this price is going, we can't really measure out on the direction it wants to take. So therefore, as a smart trader, all you have to do is just allow the market to breathe, like allow price to completely carry out whatever it wants to do. And this is the only way you can be assured of the next possible move. So in the sense that this price might continue to go up onto here, we need to allow this to make a full margin break and then come back here to make a retest, and then from here begin to go up. And if otherwise price wants to continue to go down, that means it's in two possible ways. Then it should come down here, break this trend line here on 4 hours, break this trend line, and then with a strong candle push downward before it continues to push downwards to this place. At this point in time, guys, all you have to do is wait, continue to wait till this price has given you a strong validity on the next direction that he wants to take. Stop jumping in too early in a trade. Stop taking aggressive trade. Stop all those kind of trade that does not help you. So this is my initial target plan on this trade. If this one happens, then we are looking for a bullish move. We are looking for a bullish move up until this place. And if this doesn't happen, I am not taking any bullish move without seeing a push up here and then make a retest around here before I take my entries from somewhere around here to my TP, which is the next resistance levels. And then if this doesn't happen, we need to see a break below here. We need to see a break below here like this, and then a push a bit up here, and then a continued push down. So it is what it is. When you look clearly at this, you can see price has been making lower lows, lower highs, and then lower lows, right? And then lower highs. So one thing I always preach about, a third touch. Any three touches on any level or structures are very powerful. And guys, you guys need to always watch out for this. Always watch out on all of this so that you know exactly what you are doing. Now look at this. This is a third touch, and there will be a lot of manipulation on around here. This is the reason why you have to wait. And if this place doesn't hold, that means it's going bullish. And if perhaps there's a rejection below here, that means it's going to take out this previous low in according to the market structure, where it's making lower lows, lower highs, and then it will take out the previous low and give us another lower lows. That's when this other one does not hold. That's when the bullish move does not hold, you see. So this is it. Like I always say, analyzing a pair is the most simplest one, but where the work is actually for you to keep calm, fold your hands, and watch how the market is going to react. Do you understand? Watch how the market is going to react. That's the only time you can come up with your own trading opinion. You understand, guys? So this is it for it. So this is the end of the video. You can see from my own perspectives what I am looking for. You see, one common mistake so many people do when they are analyzing is focusing on one direction. Look, you are trading against some guys who are extremely smart in this industry, and for you to outsmart them, you need to think in both ways. You need to think in the way they are also thinking. You need to react in the way they are also reacting. That's the only way you can be able to outsmart a lot of people in this game. Why they are planning on Mr. A, they are also planning on Mr. B. So these differences, they know that both individuals are also looking at this, and they are trying to know where the major boys are focusing on. When you realize this, you begin to understand that trading has to do with everything, your mindset. Do you understand? So this is the end of it, guys, and that is what I plan to do on USDCHF. And just for now, I am keeping calm and just waiting on my analysis to play out before I make any move. All right, guys. So this is the end of the video. Most importantly, whenever you want to take any trade, make sure you plan your trade and trade what you plan. Don't, after you plan your trade and then you are seeing another setup from Mr. B, and then you forget about the one that you planned and heading to take the one Mr. B has planned. Always plan your trade, trade your plan. That's the only thing that will make you a different and profitable trader. And not only that, it tells you when you are wrong and when you are right, why you are wrong and why you are right. Okay, these are the key factors that will help you to grow in this trading space. Thank you, guys. See you later.